Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you real quick the latest update that I made for the Sphinx Browser Version Checker plugin. So starting from today, it will be able to also work on the admin backend of your WordPress site. So if you are familiar with this plugin, it can detect old version browsers and show a pop-up to users that their browser is old and they should use a newer version browser. And you can select many browser versions here to accept or to not accept on your site, and this can be made now also for the admin backend of the site with the new enable notification on front end, backend, or both settings field. So this is set to front end. Let me set this to backend real quick and let me show you how this will look. So the plugin is configured right now to not support Chrome because I'm using Chrome here, and it is set to not support Chrome. And if people come to your backend now, they will be notified that Chrome is not supported and they should use other browsers for this. You can set this for Firefox, for Internet Explorer, for Opera, for Safari, or for Edge. So the plugin can detect these browser versions. So this is all for this update. So you can check browser versions also on admin backend now. I will link in this video's description the link where you will find this plugin. And yeah, this is all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit also the bell notification to get notified each time I release a new video, because I make videos here on this YouTube channel each day and release them at 8 p.m. GMT time. So stay tuned. Until next time, have a great day, stay safe, bye bye.